Where's the wind direction? You right? Yeah. Your fault for crashes.
It won't be my fault.
Al, what is this before you fly it for the very first time?
This is a FlyFly Geronimo 3metre glider dome.
I thought that FlyFly only made EDFs.
Well, maybe they do.
At what point did they branch out into making gliders?
Fuck do I know? Can we keep that in your video? I've got no idea.
You sure it's not an EDF?
Well, probably.
No, it doesn't look like an EDF.
No. We'll see.
Fingers crossed.
Well, yeah, everything crossed.
What is the motor setup?
Oh, I've got quite a nice motor in there. It's a HET 634, so it's 1000 kV on 3 cells with about a 14.7, 14.8 prop.
Right.
So it's more than enough to take off. The battery's not quite man enough as it could be, but it should be enough to go. As long as the throw is absolutely spot on, it'll be fine.
It's not down to me.
But you're throwing it, mate. Where's the wind? You're going to throw it into wind, yeah?
Well, we're thinking about that. We thought it might be more fun for your video to throw it with the wind.
God, thank
It's
God.
such a fuss pot.
Thank God I point these things out.
Technicalities.
Ready?
I am.
Okay. Twitchy on the elevator.
It's twitchy on the ailerons as well.
It just needs a load of right trim. Right, do we try all the different modes?
What are the different modes?
So that. There's just a camber change one, but it needs to be trimmed out. The other flight mode is a landing mode, where the throttle stick at the bottom 50% is actually crow braking. Top 50% is throttle, so you can bail on your landing. So we'll take it up, and then I'll put it into the third flight mode. We'll see if it sinks easily or just spirals to the ground and ends up a load of matchsticks. One of the two happens. So on the next turn,
Well, leave your finger on there so it's
I
flick it out.
Right, so that's throttle off, level it around.
Flight mode 2, flight mode 3.
So that's full crow brake,
So that's ailerons up,
flaps down.
flaps down. That's nice and
Unless-
slow, isn't it?
Unless I put the throttle stick beyond 50%, in which case it all comes out and the throttle kicks in so that I can fly off. That flies nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Nice and slow. Look at that. I mean, that's walking pace. You could go out and catch that, Dom, couldn't you?
While I'm holding the camera, unlikely.
It's nice to see that there was no horrible tendencies.
Tree. I'm zoomed in, it just looked like there's a big tree in the way.
Well inside. My name's not James, you know.
No, considering James put his sky sword in the tree during the week.
Flight mode 3.
Oh,
Maiden landing. Judged to perfection.
just gets it on the green. Tiger Woods would have been proud.
You don't want to waste runway, do you?
No. Al, you got a bit of a cheat, you know. The club pays a fortune to mow this whole long strip, and you used about, I don't know, 1/20th of the length of it.
I pay reduced subs on.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
For that reason?
Did you know about that?
No, I didn't know about that.
The more you use, the more you
Well
pay.
done. Well done, fat boy.
So that's actually pretty good. I'm quite impressed. It was a £110 model. You had to put your kit in, which I had pretty much kicking around.
So it doesn't come with servos or anything like that?
Nothing in it at all. I strengthened the front of the fuselage with some glass, as per the forums suggest. It felt very heavy when I built it, but actually it flew
That's
wonderfully.
the amazing thing about gliders. Even though they come out heavy, they float.
Flight mode 2.
So,
Flight mode 1.
and then that landing mode was brilliant, wasn't it? I mean, it just sort of comes to a stop and landed beautifully.
You took your time setting it up, obviously. So FlyFly what?
Geronimo 3metre.
Geronimo 3metre.
So, yeah.
Well done.
Very good, thank you. Okay. Present is throttle, so you can bail on your on your landing. So we'll take it up.
Flight mode 3.
Oh,